What's going on, guys? It's Nelson here. Nelson Success CPA and Affiliate Marketing. So guys, today I just want to show you a cool way for you to start in making money with Google AdSense. So first of all, I know if you're doing marketing or you're doing kind of blogging or whatever kind of method you want to make money online, the AdSense is also a good way for you to start implementing. Before I'm doing this, I'm just going to show you how you can quickly make it $300 a day. Okay, this is just an update. I can show you live. You can see even my balance. Okay, this is full live. So let me go and refresh it so that you can see I don't just change those figures, because there's a lot of people, especially in other country with Nigeria, they just edit this figure so that they're going to reflect which is wrong. They don't making what they show. You can even see here my CPC is very high. Okay, for every click I just making $5 for every visitor who visited my page. Okay, and when they click one ads in my Justin page or a blogging, okay, I just making $5. So that is my CPC at the moment. So right now you can see the figure here. I just make 300 just today. Yesterday I make it almost 400. Last 7 days I just make it $2,000. Okay, over $2,000. And also this month I just make it over $3,000. Okay, my balance here, because I did not concentrate much on Google AdSense, okay, because of that I can say that that's why my balance, you can see there's no any kind of payout. Okay, this is the one which I come up in the lasting period, which is 75. Okay, no any kind of period. So let me go and refresh, because I know people start say, yo, you just edit those figure. There's a bad way people use this kind of method to edit the figure. Okay, let me show you how they reflect this figure. First of all, they just use inspector. They right click and then go to inspect element. Okay, when they go here, what they did, okay, let me hide this. I show you what they did. Okay, but when they refresh this page is going to be different. Let me say I just want today, maybe I want to edit this number here. Okay, I just click it and then you can see, let's pull up. Okay, let me use this. Let me select this number. I just want to edit this number. You can see here, this is the number. So here I can say anything. I can either put one, I just making it. I can either put either 2,000. Okay, just 2,000, then press enter. Voila. Okay, that's how simple this is. This is easy way for you to get manipulated, especially on YouTube. There's a lot of video out there on YouTube this use this kind of method, and then they just, what they did is just let me close it. What they did is just manipulate you. Yo, today I just make 2,000, and also edit some of these features here, and also even they edit this last payment. Okay, you can see I have a 0. It means that I did not get paid on Google AdSense because I did not reach their threshold, which is 100. So I will wait for this month. Then the next month I think I'm going to update you. As you can see, guys, I'm just going to show you the method. After get paid, I'll just go and update you if I get paid or if they hold the payment. So just make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you can stay up to date. So let's continue with this. You can see here, but when you come and refresh this figure, let me go and edit even the last pay. So you can see that even I get paid. So they lie to you, so they get paid, but in reality they did not get a cent. Okay, so let's go to the last paid here, this figure here. Let's go and select this one, which is going to be pretty easy, and click that. You can see this one. Okay, and then let's reflect this. I just want to reflect this into 10,000, either into 10 or 40. Just want to show you how much I make, guys. Okay, they pay me, Google pay me. Okay, or they just mix up some numbers so that you can see, oh man, this is a good number, this guy is making money, but in reality it's not. So I just change into 47,000. Okay, then click enter. You can see here. That's amazing. Okay, then you're going to start to believe, oh, this guy is really get paid. Look, that's the payment. He get paid for the 7,000. Man, I like this. Okay, but in reality he does not get paid. if you told them to reflect, it's going to be full back. So we already changed this today, and also last payment. So when they go to refresh, but sometimes they just go and edit it on their video. Okay, they edit it on their video and then they show you the same page, which is totally a lie. Okay, a lot of video I see on YouTube, at the end of the day you fall in for the scam, you get scammed. So make sure that you stay tuned on this. This is what they do. Okay, so you can see I changed this one, last payment, and also today. Okay, so let me go and refresh again. You can see those numbers are just in vanish. That's how this is. That's how people get manipulated on YouTube. Okay, you can see it's backing into normal. So this is the reality, guys. That's how it is. I just want to give you updated on this. So make sure that you stay up, hit the subscribe, guys, hit the subscribe button, just destroy it, and then I'll come and update you on if when I get paid, and I show you. If I'm not get paid, then I show you how what is the problem. Either I get banned, everything I'm going to show you. Okay, when I get paid, I'm going to show you. If I'm not going to get paid, I'm going to show you. Okay, that's how it is. That's how you should do this. Okay, and also I'm going to show you even how you're going to make in this kind of money on AdSense. They're going to pay you, how they're going to pay you. You can see my visitors are always from top tier countries. Okay, United States. Okay, I make it from this almost country last 7 days, 1K. Okay, United, UK, Canada. So my visitors are always come from top tier countries. That's why I also have high CPC and also very few page view, okay, per day, but high CPC. Okay, imagine that every click you get $5. So I'm going to update you on how this is done. So let's refresh it. Last time you can see I'm not lying. Okay, that's how simple it is. My hands is right here. Okay, so guys, that's how it is. That's how you get manipulated when you come to earning through Google AdSense. So hit the subscribe button, stay tuned, I'll hit you up. Peace.
Okay, bye.